Hi everybody, my name is Esteban. I'm a student of UNAD. Um, this is Task 4, and here development Task 4 of Assignature English. Um, in the last word, I talked about the plan of the solid waste comprehensive management plan. This plan is from a company from the North University of Barranquilla and is about to give um, an optimal and adequate management to the solid waste that's that is being generated within the university. A solid waste collection center was inaugurated in April 2015. Um, its purpose is to carry out in adequate, sequential, and detailed manner the management of solid urban waste and hazardous wasted in such a way that in a efficient and economical collection, store, separation, and transport of said wasted in carry out. Um, the collection center project seats of guaranteed recycling of materials and reduction of the amounts of waste generated within the campus of the University of North mm, to sanitary landfills, as well as control and organize and handling and store of these from their generation to its use and final disposal. Mm, paper, glass, cardboard, metal, plastic are considered no household those wasted that can be used. The residue can be useful in other processes and raw material for um, industrial process, reducing supply costs. Currently, the University of North takes advantage of these materials by selling things classified to a cooperative that benefits from them. Um, the generation of these materials is expected to increase by at least 16 uh, with the entry of the central copy. Yeah. And finally, they have planned try to drive this plan in all school of the city and all around of Colombia. Finally.